Introducing ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Our new thermostat does so much more, like taking care of your comfort, health, and security. Saving energy is just the beginning. It starts with an easy install you can do yourself. It's also completely redesigned with thicker glass, 50% larger display, and new metal body. What hasn't changed are the intelligent energy savings, automatically saving you up to 26% on heating and cooling costs. The included sensor keeps you comfortable by making hot and cold spots disappear in the rooms that matter most. Your thermostat and sensors know when you're home and when you're not, saving you energy without ever compromising comfort. Never compromise on safety either. One device acts as your home monitoring hub, alerting you of motion, the sound of a smoke alarm, or if your pipes are in danger of freezing. And when you're home, the Smart Thermostat Premium can also detect your voice, with Siri or Alexa built in. Hey Siri, turn down the thermostat.
Okay, cooling to 70 degrees.
Hey Siri, play some jazz.
Now playing Jazz FM.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes counting down.
And with a built-in air quality monitor, your thermostat can also tell you about your indoor air quality. If it senses poor air quality, it will send you an alert and give you tips on how to improve it. From air quality to energy conservation, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium will help you unlock a healthier home and a healthier planet too. And the more homes we're in, the more of a difference we can make.
This is Nest Thermostat from Google. It's a smart thermostat that can help you save energy, which helps you save money on your energy bill. And with all those heating and cooling savings, replacing your old thermostat is almost a no-brainer. You're probably thinking, oh wow, but how? Well, this thermostat can help you build an energy-saving schedule, and then adjust automatically, so you don't waste energy when you're away. You just have to select preferences, such as what temperature you like for when you're home, or when you're asleep, or when you're gone, and then plug in your schedule. You know what else is cool? The Nest Thermostat is kind of like an energy-saving advisor. It can help you find opportunities to use less energy. Like it might send a suggestion to tweak your sleep temperature settings, so you can save while you snooze. It can also help keep tabs on your heating and cooling system, and sends you helpful reminders, like when you need a filter changed. It can even alert you if something doesn't seem right, and help you find a qualified pro for a system checkup or repair, so you can get things working right and go back to living life. And say you're at the park and want to come home to a perfectly cool house. You can go to the Google Home app and take care of that. You can also control the thermostat from your Nest speaker. Hey Google, raise the temperature. Maybe you're thinking, is this fancy thermostat real expensive? Well, actually, it isn't. With rebates from your utility company, you can get it for even less. Oh, and if you like to DIY around your HOME, the Nest thermostat is designed so you can install it yourself, so you don't have to hire anyone to do it for you. If you want, you can have a pro come install it instead. And that's how you can save energy and money with Nest Thermostat from Google.
Here at Wyze, we believe your home should always feel just right, which is why we're introducing Wyze Room Sensor, a little wonder that keeps your home's temperature, as we like to call it, in the Goldilocks zone. Wyze Room Sensor works by sharing temperature, humidity, and motion sensing data to your Wyze thermostat, eliminating those spots in your home that are too hot or too cold. When you activate Motion Sensing Comfort Mode, it prioritizes comfort in the rooms you're actually using. The more sensors you have, the smarter Wyze thermostat becomes at creating the whole home just right comfort feel. It makes your home so enjoyable, your guest just might be overstaying her welcome, because it's just right.
Hello? Is someone there?
Friends, stay in the Goldilocks zone. Get Wyze Room Sensors and make your home feel just right.
Balancing comfort and trying to save energy can be difficult. You can control the temperature of your home, but not all rooms are equal. And people move around. The T9 Smart Thermostat can help. With its smart room sensors that have a super long range, you can prioritize the temperature in the rooms that matter the most. The T9 can focus on the rooms you choose to help everyone get a perfect night's sleep. Or you can let the T9 work automatically to focus on the rooms that people are in, so comfort follows you and your family around your home. Thanks to auto home and away scheduling, the T9 knows if you're coming or going. So whatever your schedule may be, your home will be comfortable when you arrive and help save energy when you're away. No matter where you are or where you're going, everything can be controlled via the Honeywell Home app. It doesn't matter if you use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The T9 integrates with many of today's leading smart home brands, and setup is easy. Installation is easy too. The T9 can help configure itself, providing a guided install with the existing wires in your home. Buy the T9 Smart Thermostat and sensors at your local retailer, or visit online to find a professional to do it for you. Say goodbye to too hot or too cold. Welcome to just right comfort control from Honeywell Home.